So, hi everyone. I welcome you once again in this channel. Today, we are going to resume our session where we just got ended in the last one. So, basically, we are on the day 10 and we just take a reference from the with the 30 very wisely and with a very good definitions. So, what we are going to do, or we are supposed to do, I'm just going to share my screen and sharing the screen where Satish's video has playing, and we're just looking at this video and where we are, like what we are doing, and I'm just going to explain things like from basic to advanced. What Satish told, I'm just going to rephrase in a way so that you can understand things very easily. So now I'm just going to share my screen. Just let me know once my screen is visible for you all. Just give me 1 second so that I can skip this ad. That's always happen. Okay. Now let me just share my screen. I hope my screen is visible now. Let me just redefine this playback speed. So basically, in this video, Satish is going to tell us that how we gonna alter the call types in SQL. So just make sure that you can write descriptions so that when we just jumped into the MySQL portal where we just lively practice things, you can refer these notes which is created by you right now, and things will sorted out. Things will help you at that moment.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने वाले हम तो जाते हैं डायरेक्टली पीजी एडमिन के अंदर। पीजी एडमिन में वही पहले पुरानी फाइल, पुराना डेटा मैंने ओपन किया जो कि हमने लेसन नंबर 7 के लिए टेबल क्रिएट किया था, वही टेबल के अंदर हम काम करने वाले हैं, जो कि आपको टेबल यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है। लेट मी डू वन थिंग, मैं यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट की क्वेरी रन कर देता हूँ जिसमें बेसिकली हमारा पूरा डेटा दिखाई देता है हमें, राइट? ये सिलेक्ट की क्वेरी है हमारी और मैं इसे रन कर देता हूँ। सो ये डेटा आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, 1 to 6 डेटा यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है और मैं इसमें कुछ अल्टरेशन करना चाहता हूँ। तो अब मैं क्या अल्टरेशन करना चाहता हूँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता देता हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसमें कॉलम एक कॉलम नेम आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, यूज़र नेम जो कॉलम है इसका नाम बदलना चाहता हूँ। सपोज़ यूज़र नेम कॉलम का नाम मुझे बदलना है। उसके बाद मैं अलग-अलग डेटा टाइप, सपोज़ ऐज कॉलम का डेटा टाइप जो है, ऐज कॉलम का डेटा टाइप क्या है यहाँ पे भी वैसे दिखाई देगा, इंटीजर है। इसको मैं स्मॉल इंट में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता हूँ।
One quick question for everyone that how many of you remember that alter command is under which umbrella? Or I can say, like we already read that there is a four commands: DDL, DML, TCL, and DCL. So alter command stand in which command? Which head command? It is DDL or DML? If your answer is DDL, data definition language, then definitely you're right. But if your answer is DML, then definitely you're wrong. Because in DML, we are going to use update command, not the alter command. So over here, as you all already remember, I'm guessing that in the last video we already discussed about the alter command, where Satish by mistakenly use alter to just rephrase their mistake, or I can say the rectify their mistake. But how many of you remember that on that particular command, or that particular query, Satish use alter command for changing the data inside the table, column name, and with the help of alter we are able to do these things uh, very effectively or efficiently. Have you noticed here that Satish once again used the order command, and we already discussed about it, what is order by and what is ASC stand for. So basically, if you want to rephrase your user ID or in the way of ascending order, then definitely order by command is going to help you in SQL. So basically, order by command is not going to help you to make the data in the ascending order, but also in the descending order too. So just be careful, whatever we are just writing, whatever we are just seeing or learning, it is really very crucial. Because when we jumped into the my Excel, I just reiterate this thing, once we jumped into the my SQL, then definitely these things going to help us. So over here, Satish is trying to tell us that there is an integer data type, but there is one more data type which is called a small int. So you're able to use integer definitely, which is store size is some around 4 bytes. But if you use a small integer, then the storage size is just half from the integers. So as you see here, if you use integer, definitely you have a very big scope of numbers where which you're going to feed. But if you use small integers, then definitely there is a small range here. So as you see here, the title of this video is alter column and the data type in SQL. So right now we just understand what is how we gonna alter the column, and we successfully did it. Like we just renamed the column from username to full name. And as you see here, if you just noticed over some of the queries, that it is just like an English. If you know a little bit about the English, then definitely SQL is just for you. ठीक है? And now what we are supposed to learn is we're going to change the data type. Like before we change the column name, the alter the column. Now we are going to change the data type, and similarly we are going to use the alter data type. put one constraint, or you can say the alter one constraint for the age column. He just wanted to put a check constraint, like the age is only above than 18. So how we gonna do is, so definitely we're gonna take a alter table user. After that we're gonna say alter column age, and then we set check, and there is a greater than column 18, and then definitely semicolon. Okay. Have you understand what Sudhi is trying to tell us? So basically, at the initial where he just set not null. So on that particular column, he just trying to set not null constraint, or you can say there are a specific constraint already there in the column of city, but he just wanted to change the constraint. In the second thing where he just added his check constraint, he trying to add a one constraint to check that age is, so basically he's trying to add. So whenever you're trying to add some kind of constraint, you just write add constraint, and then definitely you'll get the answer. So I believe that you understand that what I'm trying to telling you and what Satish is trying to tell you. So basically, in this video, we understand that how to alter the table, the column, the constraint. In fact, we also change the table's name. So now you understand that what is the importance of alteration of things. It is really useful whenever you jumped into any organization and you're just working with this SQL thing, then definitely this thing will help you. And the kind of lessons you get it from Satish or from this video, definitely this will help you at that moment of time. So please be very careful, be very vigilant. Whatever you are learning, just write it so that you are very habitual to put these things on time. And SQL is just about a practice. So please do lot and lots more of practice.